Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to discuss the themes of Shakespeare's play. What are the prominent themes which are portrayed in the plays of Shakespeare, especially with reference to the comedy Twelfth Night and the tragedy King Lear. So yes, apart from these two plays, these themes are also reflected in his other plays as well. So the prominent themes are ambition, evil, order and disorder, appearance and reality, violence and tyranny, guilt and conscience, witchcraft and magic, love and hate, fate and free will, life and death, youth against one fortune. As you study the plays, the comedy, the Twelfth Night and the tragedy King Lear, you will see these themes prominently represented there. Okay, now I'll discuss how they are portrayed in the Twelfth Night and King Lear. These themes are. So here we go. William Shakespeare as a playwright with special reference to King Lear. Okay, his works. So he states that his aphorism and universality are reflected very prominently, as he said that all the world is a stage and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in a time plays many parts. Okay, and then we'll discuss the aphorism and universality of Shakespeare. Okay, reflected in the Twelfth Night and King Lear. Okay, so at Twelfth Night he said that he writes Shakespeare, some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness thrust upon them. Twelfth Night, Act 2, Scene 5. So this reflects universality. And in Julius Caesar he writes, cowards die many times before their death, and the valiant never taste of death but once. Okay, universality again. And then in the Macbeth, the Shakespeare defines life in this way: life's but a walking shadow, a poor player that struts and freights his hour upon the stage and then is heard no more. It's a tale told by an idiot, full of sound and fury, signifying nothing. Yes, this nothingness, this word is very important in Shakespeare's plays, especially in King Lear. We will discuss in detail as well. This nothingness, nihilism. Again, it's a universality there. And then, yes, we'll discuss some quotations that reflect his universality and aphorism in King Lear. Shakespeare writes in King Lear, when we are born, we cry that we come to this great stage of fools. King Lear said that. Nothing will come of nothing. Speak again. King Lear again, as I told you, this nothing is very important part of King Lear. Okay, and it has got its own significance. Okay, nothing also reflect nihilism, no meaning of life. And Shakespeare writes that the weight of this sad time we must obey, speak what we feel, not what we ought to say. The oldest had borne most. We that are young shall never see so much, nor live so long. And then thou shouldst have not have been old till thou hast been wise. King Lear again. Love, not love. He describes love in King Lear as love's not love when it is mingled with regards that stand aloof from the entire point. So there are no conditions or gain and givings in love. It is unconditional love. Okay, no regards. And then again the same quote: nothing will come of nothing. Speak again. Universality. And we will discuss King Lear in detail. I'll make a separate video on that. So these are about the universality and aphorism in Shakespeare writing. These are some important points, highlighted points, but the detailed notes I'll provide you in the description of this video. Just click on the link in the description of this video. It will lead you to a website where I upload the detailed notes. So thank you.